Before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are reviewing the Ducat EA for MT5 from Starpoint Trading. This is a multi-symbol trend following system that builds exposure in a controlled way and aims for portfolio diversification. So let's break it down with the available results. As you can see, the EA goes for 299 US dollars. And if we expand this, you can see on the MKO5 page that Ducat is a multi-symbol trend following expert advisor built on a simple principle. Trade with the trend and protect profits when the trend ends. It is designed to run multiple instruments from a single chart attachment so that diversification can smooth the equity curve. The default portfolio is the S&P 500, the German DAX, and USDJPY, with XAUSD and USDCHF available as optional slots that are disabled by default. Positions are opened only in the direction of prevailing momentum. When a trend is running the EA builds exposure in a measured, structured way described as partial grid accumulation. When the trend breaks its exits cleanly, a volatility filter pauses trading during erratic conditions such as news spikes or geopolitical shocks. The live signal runs the three default symbols only. The developer emphasizes sustainable compounding growth rather than fast volatile profits. The key features include multi-symbol operation from one chart, trend following with partial grid accumulation, a hard stop loss on every grid cycle after a maximum number of steps, optional account level drawdown limits that can retain its baseline across restarts, optional swap avoidance that closes profitable baskets before the daily close, a persistent volatility filter, and an on-chart control panel showing live P&L and status. Position sizing guidance is provided for different account sizes with a note that a $10,000 balance on default settings could experience up to around 20% drawdown in unfavorable conditions. Set files for the various account sizes and prop firm use are available. Okay, so let's take a look at some of the screenshots here on the website. All right, you can see the claims of scaling. Um, I think this should be $1,000 to $28,000, $28,733, and a max drawdown of 12.89%. This was a 2025 backtest with default loss sizing. You can see the equity curve, it looks smooth, moves cleanly to the upside. Let's take a look at some of the other screenshots. All right, so in this case, for an initial deposit of $10,000, there was a total net profit of $18,733. The profit factor was 2.32 and the balance drawdown was 9.33%. So let's compare this to my own personal backtest. Like I said at the beginning of this video, I was able to carry out the backtest on this EA. As you can see, I already have it installed. I used the recommended symbol, here's the JPY on the 50-minute time frame for a custom period of 1 year ranging from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026. And on a 10K account, my initial deposit being $10,000, the equity curve shows steady overall growth, as you can see, and the net profit was around $8,700 and the profit factor of 2.21. The balance drawdown was 7.59%. However, the history quality is only 24%, which limits confidence in the modeling accuracy. The cleanest risk aspect is the hard stop loss that ends a grid cycle after a decided or a defined number of steps, plus the optional account level drawdown limits. The volatility filter that survives restarts is another practical protection. At the same time, any form of position accumulation, even when described as measured and only in the trend direction, still increases exposure while the trend continues and can produce meaningful floating drawdowns if the trend reverses sharply. Portfolio diversification across indices and USDJPY can reduce the impact of any single instrument struggling, but correlation can rise during broad market stress. Correct symbol names in market watch are critical. Mismatched names will prevent trading on those slots. The modest absolute profit relative to the tested period is consistent with a system that prioritizes survival and controlled growth over aggressive compounding. Honestly, the features that matter most are the symbols that are enabled, the risk or lot settings related to the account size, whether the hard stop loss and account drawdown limits are active, and continuous monitoring of the multi-symbol exposure. The partial grid nature means capital requirements and drawdown expectations should be treated conservatively. Just close this down, right? Um, as for the nuances and hidden risks, partial grid accumulation still concentrates risks during extended adverse moves. Multi-symbol systems require all symbols to be correctly mapped and available. Low history quality reduces reliability of the backtest numbers. Volatility filters can reduce activity for extended periods. In practice, start with the default three symbol sets and balanced risk guidance. Enable the hard stops, use a reliable VPS, and demo test thoroughly. Past results never guarantee future performance. Overall, the Ducat EA is a multi-symbol trend following system with partial grid accumulation, hard cycle stops, and a volatility filter defaulting to US 500, GR40, and USDJPY. My shared backtest results show steady growth with moderate equity drawdown and low history quality. Independent verification, conservative risks, and clear understanding of the accumulation logic are essential. Always trade is money you can afford to lose. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to cover next. Don't forget to grab that free robot from the description too. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.